Hi everyone, I wanted to make a video to show you a new way that you can record and upload your videos for your demonstration speech right through Teams, which you're already using. So you're going to go to teams.microsoft.com like you always do to get into Teams. If you have the app on your phone or something, which you're going to be recording, you'll want to go in that way. You want to be doing this on whatever device you're going to be recording your video on. So this comes to our general page where we have our chat every day. And I know Miss Hall walked you through the channels over here on the side. So if you go to the core channel and click on that, you will see a new kind of folder up top here that says Flipgrid. You're going to click on that. And this is where we're going to be able to record these videos. You are going to want to log in with Microsoft. Right here, log in with Microsoft. It'll be the same login that you use to get into Teams. And actually, when I click on it, it automatically logs me in because I'm already logged into Teams. So hopefully it will work that way for you. So once it comes up, you're going to see that there's a topic up and it's the demonstration speech. There are actually two topics. There's a say hello to Flipgrid, which you can go to that and kind of try it out if you want to get used to it before you actually do your demonstration speech. But I'm going to stick with the demonstration speech for now. You'll see that I uploaded my example that I had done, but I'm going to go on down here because this big green plus button is what you're going to want to hit to go ahead and record your response. So we're going to click on that, and it is going to be, it's going to come up with a video window. It did ask me if I could use my camera. So you're going to have to allow it to use your camera to be able to record yourself. So you can see here I am. There is a 5-minute limit on these videos, but really your demonstration speech don't need to be any longer than that anyways. So you're going to record yourself. There's a record button here. There's stickers and things. I wouldn't mess too much with those for this video just because that's not really the point. But you can mess with those on some other ones. So you're going to hit record. It's going to give you a countdown. And then it's going to start recording you. So you're going to go through your speech, your step-by-step process, showing your whatever visuals or anything that you're using. When you're finished, you're going to hit pause, and then you're going to click next. And you can preview your video, obviously. If you don't like it, you click out and you start the process over again. But we're going to go on so I can show you. It's going to ask you to take a selfie to be like the title of your video. So we'll take a selfie, and then you go on to the next part. Maybe. There we go. So it's getting my video ready to be uploaded. You're going to make sure that you type your name up here at the top. If you want to give it a title, you can, but the most important part is that you type your first and last name so I know who it is so I can give you credit. And then all you have to do is click submit video. And it is now complete. And within a minute or two, it should show up on this Flipgrid page. So hopefully for some of you that might make this a little bit easier if your videos are just if it's going to be difficult for you to email them to me or something like that, you can do it this way. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me on Teams, definitely. But this is definitely a good option for uploading those videos. Have a good day.